Hello guys, welcome to another new video. So now I will show you how to use Microsoft Office on Windows 10 for free using WPS software. Before starting, hit the like button and click on subscribe to watch more such videos. Now let's start. Open your browser and search WPS Office. Click on download and make sure that it is for PC. Then again click on download. After downloading it, go to your downloads folder and run the installer. Make tick on this option and click on install. It will take some time for installation, so I am skipping the video. Here, you have to select any one option you want and then click on Launch WPS. Now as you can see, it is installed and has been launched also. Now, click on the free option and you can sign in if you want. Otherwise, leave it and you are ready to go. Let me show you whether it works or not. As you can see, this is Excel. Now I am opening Word document. And now PowerPoint. As you saw, they were all working and 100% genuine. So make sure to hit the like button if it helped you support by subscribing my channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video.